In this video, we'll be reviewing the signature portal and how to use it to request electronic signatures from your patient's referring physicians and other healthcare providers. The signature portal provides a quick and secure way to send completed documentation for review and signature without the need to print, fax, scan, or manually return paperwork. Once a signature request has been sent, the physician can review the documentation, sign electronically, and have the signatures automatically recorded within your system. To get started, you will first need to enable the feature. To do so, simply navigate to Settings, Portal, Referring Portal. Once there, check the box off for Enable Signature Request and press the Save button. Feel free to adjust the message templates while you are here. Once the feature has been turned on, begin by opening the completed note that requires a physician's signature, such as an evaluation or re-eval. Once inside the note, locate the Actions menu at the top of the screen, right beside the patient's name. Within the Actions menu, select the option to send the signature request. When the signature request window opens, QuickEMR will provide several different methods for delivering the signature request to that physician. This flexibility allows your practice to choose whichever option works best for your workflow and communication preferences. The first option is to copy the invite URL. QuickEMR will generate a unique link that can be copied and pasted into an email sent outside of QuickEMR. This option is useful if your practice uses a separate email platform or if you would like to include additional information when sending the request. Simply copy the generated URL and paste it into your preferred email application before sending it to the physician. The second option is to send the invitation directly through QuickEMR. If your email account has already been configured within the system, QuickEMR can send the signature request directly from your associated email address. This is often the quickest and easiest option, as it allows you to send the request without leaving the system. Simply verify the recipient information and email message, and send the invitation. The third option is to use the QR code provided by the system. QuickEMR automatically generates a QR code that is linked to the signature request. You may take a screenshot of the QR code or provide it directly to the physician. When scanned with a mobile device, the QR code will take the physician directly to the signature page where they can review and sign the documentation. This option can be especially useful when the physician is present in the office or within close proximity. Feel free to utilize whichever method works best for your practice's workflow. Once the request has been delivered, the physician can access the document using the provided link. From the physician's perspective, the process is simple and straightforward. The physician will be presented with the completed documentation that requires review and signature. After reviewing the information, they will need to check off the box that states that they agree to sign the documentation through an electronic signature, and then they can sign the document directly within the portal. The signature is then securely captured and associated with the documentation inside your system. This eliminates the need for printing, scanning, faxing, or manually uploading signed forms back to the system. After the physician completes the signature, QuickEMR automatically updates the status of the request. This can be seen on the note's overhead information bar. Users can also monitor the progress of the signature request through the system's contact log or by running the appropriate signature report found under Reports, Documentation, Provider Signature. This allows staff members to quickly determine if additional follow-up is needed or if the signature process has been completed. Once the signature has been captured, you can then view it on the note's printout by going to Actions, Print. At the bottom of the note, you will see the assigned provider's signature as well as the signature from the referring physician. Being able to track signature status directly within QuickEMR helps improve communication, reduce administrative work, and ensures documentation is completed in a timely manner. If you have any questions regarding the signature portal or need assistance with setup, please contact the QuickEMR support team and we'll be happy to help.